Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how to write down your equation or mathematical equation or a function in a proper way like you see it in the references and all the university books or in say. So all you have to do is to press Alt and the equal sign over the keyboard, and there is a little box written down here, type equation here. So before writing down your equation, there is the equation tab here, and there is a lot of buttons here. I'm going to show you what every button has inside. Here the equation. There many equations are built in the Microsoft Word, like area of circle or binomial theorem, the identity uh, equation for the trigonometry, like for the sine and cosine law, and so on. Here the ink equation is used when you have a tablet or drawing tablet with a pen, and you write down your equations and it connected to your PC, so the Microsoft will transform it into equation in your file. And these are the codes for whether it's Unicode or LaTeX or EBC. Uh, every every language has its own use, but we are using here our Unicode. The convert button here is used to convert the equation from the professional mode, like you see it here in a linear one. As you see it when you press it on the linear one, and the function is already right, it's already written in the same line. So we're gonna take it back to the professional one. Here in simple, all the symbols that's used in mathematics and statistics is already written here. Like here are the basic maths, plus or minus, infinity, inequalities, and also for the geometry, the angles, and here's operators for the union interaction and the inclusion of the statistics. And already you have here the trig for the for the integrals and derivatives. Here you have the integration and the clockwise or the closed integration. Here are the forms. You can all the forms you use it in your equations, the functions, for example, the fractions or the exponentials and the radicals here, and here the integrals with all its form and all its limits here. And also you have here, I will show you your limits. For example, if you want to write down a limit here for the summations and all your inclusions here for the brackets here, like the absolute value, for example, and also for the cases of the functions. Here all the trigonometric functions, for example, sine, cosine, and tan, cosec, sec, and cotan. And here are the common function. And are here there is here the log and the limits here, and operators finally, and the matrices finally. So when you want to write down your equation after pressing the Alt and equal sign on the keyboard, you come to the box here and begin to write down your equation. For example, f of x equal 3x to the power of 3. In here, the power sign is already written in linear, but don't worry, but it will gonna transfer will be transferred to the professional mode when you continue to write down your equation. We'll continue plus 3x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 7, for example. To write down for another equation with this fraction mode, I'm going to show you how to write it down in this way. We're going to press again Alt and Enter, and we're going to open a bracket and write down inside it the first equation, 4x plus 7y plus 8, for example. And we're going to close the bracket and put the power sign, for example, power of 3 over 2x plus 4y plus 8, for example. And you have only just press space and the equation is transformed in the professional way in here, like you see it here. Another thing I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna enhance your skill and make you shorten your time when you are writing in the function mode. Here, if you want to write down, for example, you want to put the plus or minus sign, you don't have to write it. There's many ways to write down your plus or minus sign. For example, 3, 3, or sorry, 3x plus or minus. So you have two ways to write it down. So plus, minus, and it's really transformed automatically for y. And there is another option here, 3x, and you put a slash and write down PM. Here is the P and M. The P is the abbreviation for the plus, and here there is abbreviation for minus. And press space, and it's automatically transformed the plus minus sign for Y. So how did I know all these abbreviations? If you open the simple tab and, for example, come to the basic math, just move the cursor over the box, and here is written plus minus and plus minus sign, or it's written slash PM. Another one, for example, infinity is written slash infinity. So write it down here, slash infinity, and it's written here. And so everything here is written with its abbreviation. So if you didn't see an abbreviation, so this box or this sign didn't have an abbreviation, so you have to choose it here from the box. Like for example, we gonna choose, for example, from the operators, dot plus, for example, must, for example, you have to choose it. It can be written in abbreviation mode in or unicode in the box. Don't forget to subscribe to our page and wait for other videos, guys. Thank you.